What's going on, everybody? Brad Cohen, Harmon Realty. Just a quick video today to talk about the 3 most important things that home inspectors look for during a home inspection. Whether you are a buyer or a seller in a real estate transaction, it's important to know what a home inspector is going to look for during the inspection component of your real estate transaction. A home inspector is going to take the time to go through every nook and cranny of the property and inspect all of the major systems to make sure that the property is in reasonably acceptable condition. First, home inspectors are looking at roofs. They're going to be looking for any active leaks, potentially issues with any damaged or missing shingles, as well as inspecting the flashing, gutters, and other components to the roof to make sure that there are no issues with water intrusion. This is one of the biggest things that are assessed by home inspectors, and they will also try to give a diagnostic approximate age of the roof based on the wear and tear that they see. Second, structural issues. Your home inspector is going to inspect the crawl space of your home, the slab, or the basement, depending on how it's constructed, to make sure there's no evidence of major structural cracks. And these can manifest in that particular component of the foundation, but it could also manifest in different settlement cracks throughout the house. So these are all important structural components that the inspector is going to look at. The third and final thing that inspectors are going to be looking for is damage to your plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. Those are what we call the major systems of the home outside of the roof and foundation. They're going to be checking all of your faucets and drains for leaks. They're going to be opening up your HVAC system to make sure that it's been recently serviced. One of the best things you can do as a seller to prep your house for sale is to get your HVAC system serviced right before you go to list, so you have a clean bill of health to show the home inspector. And they're going to go around checking your outlets and making sure that your switches and everything are operational with your electrical system. If there's any damage to these systems, it can add up pretty quickly, so your realtor will be able to sit down with you, look through the report, and add up what those expected costs are going to be for repair or replacement. So, in a home inspection, generally speaking, your inspector is going to be looking at the major systems of the home: your plumbing, electrical, foundation, roof, and HVAC system. Make sure all of these things are in as good of order as you possibly can before you list the property if you're a seller. And if you're a buyer, never forego the home inspection, because there's always going to be stuff hidden behind the walls that you're not prepared for. Thanks so much for watching my video. Brad Cohen, Harmon Realty. If you have any additional questions about home inspections or how to navigate them, I'm here as your resource, and we will see you next video.